Hey boys and girls, for social studies today, we are going to be reviewing about Sequoyah. Sequoyah invented the written Cherokee language. As you can see right here on the paper he's holding up, that the language was written by symbols. That is what is very important about Sequoyah in his life. Sequoyah did not go to school when he was a boy. He helped on a farm, so he never learned how to read or write. Sequoyah, he ran a trading post. A trading post is where hunters traded animal skins for goods. So they might have traded an animal skin for paper, or for tools, or for weapons. So this is where Sequoyah worked. So the reason Sequoyah created a written language is because he wanted to help the people of the Cherokee tribe. That's the tribe that he was a part of. The reason why he wanted to help his people is because he noticed that they could not read or write, and he wanted to be able to have them write letters back and forth to each other, be able to have literacy in their life, reading and writing. Sequoyah listened to people speak and noticed that words would have different parts or syllables. So this would be an example of Cherokee writing, very different from the way that we write. So instead of each symbol being a letter, it would be kind of more of a sound. So these are all sorts of symbols. There were 85 symbols. And this would be an example of maybe a letter they would write back and forth to each other. The Cherokee learned to read and write using the symbols that Sequoyah created. People still use Sequoyah symbols today. So you can see this street sign right here is written in English, our written language, and then the native language of the Cherokee below. Sequoyah died in 1843, and they created a monument of him to show that he was such an important figure of the Cherokee. He was a very brave, strong, he was a very good leader for his people, and he cared about his people as well. So this is just a review about Sequoyah and how he created the written language for the Cherokee tribe.